What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money online with affiliate marketing using a brand new traffic strategy that we've never actually talked about on this channel. And the best part about this particular traffic is it's brand new, it's popping off right now. There's like quite a lot of people using it, but not a lot of people in the affiliate marketing space. So there's actually a lot of room to get in and make money with this method. And you won't need your own website. And the best part is you actually don't need to spend any money doing this. This is a completely free traffic source that you can use right now to do affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, I'll give you a quick breakdown, but you probably already have an idea. It's when you find a product online to promote, so you get a custom affiliate link. When someone clicks on that link and they go to that page and they make a purchase, you get a percentage of that purchase price. So it can be anywhere from 2% if you're doing Amazon Associates, all the way up to like 50%, and I've even seen 70% and even 90% in rare cases. And that's called affiliate marketing. It's a very common way for people to make money, and also vendors to actually get other people to promote their products for them and do the work, and they don't mind actually giving out a commission to doing that. But that's all good. Understanding affiliate marketing is the easy part. How do you find the right networks, the right products? How do you actually go and make money doing this? And what is the best strategy to do this right now? And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, you can actually use this free traffic method for any niche in the affiliate marketing space. So make money online niche, software niche, pretty much any niche. But in this video, I've actually found the product that you can use in the right niche, and I'm going to show you how to set this up and use this free traffic source that's lined up perfectly with this product and niche. Now, if you want more videos on affiliate marketing, I bring out videos every single week showing you the best strategies online. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and smash that like button so you know my next video comes out. And yes, we are doing the competition in this video again. The winners from the last one are in the pinned comment. All you gotta do in this video is find the emoji, comment below emoji plus cash or course, and you'll go in the draw to win either cash or access to one of my courses in the next video. And remember, I'm replying to all of your serious questions within the next 24 hours. So if you have any questions, let me know below and I'll reply to those questions for you, because that's really the best way to actually contact me is in the comment section. So let's get into this video, guys. I'm going to show you how to make money with this new traffic strategy right now. All right, guys, so the first step to this strategy is we need to go out and find what we call a network. And not only that, is you need to find a product. So in this video, I'm actually going to take you through the perfect product for this method. So you're not going to actually need to go out and find a specific product. I'm going to show you the one that's actually working right now, and it's a very good product. But we actually need to go and find a network. So what that means is we need to go and find a place where we can actually find a product to promote, or more specifically, the product for this method. Now, there's lots of products out there. You can use things like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. Those are places that you can use. Now, for this one, we're going to talk about ClickBank. And the reason is because the specific product that we're going to promote is on this particular website. Now, all you need to do is go to clickbank.com and click the sign up button if you haven't already. And then you can just sign up by putting in your country, first name, last name, phone number, email address, and password. And then once you've signed up, you simply go into this tab here and click on Marketplace at the top. And it's going to bring you to a section that looks like this. Now, this isn't a tutorial on how to use ClickBank or anything like that, but essentially, I'll just give you a quick rundown. On the side, it's got categories. For example, I can click on e-business and e-marketing, and it's got all of these products that I could promote to make a commission. So I would just click promote, and then I would go to generate hop links, and I'll get a custom link like this that I could send to people, to online, and if they make a purchase via this link, I would get a commission, right? So that's kind of how you go out and navigate through ClickBank. But like I said, this isn't a specific tutorial on how to actually use the ClickBank system. Now, to find the right products for you, it really just depends on how you're sending traffic. That's really the key to affiliate marketing, is what type of traffic are you sending? So for example, let me give you an example real quick, right? If we go to the health and fitness category, it's got all of these fitness products here that have a high gravity. And gravity means a certain amount of people who have sold this product in the last 30 or 60 days or something like that. I don't know exactly what it is. People say it's 30, people say it's 60. But these high gravity ones in the health niche usually mean that these guys are running advertising to these specific products. They usually do like Facebook ads and stuff like that. We're not going to be actually doing that. And these ones are in high competitive niches. You're going up against real big time ballers that know how to make money with affiliate marketing and they have the budgets to do it. But we want to do it with free traffic. So what is the best way to do that? Well, what I'm going to actually do is show you a specific product that I know has worked very well in the past with some of the traffic methods that we've actually shown on this channel. So once again, you can go down here on the left and you can go and click through some things, but you've got to remember that you've got to line the product up with the traffic, okay? It's very important to do that. So I've actually got a product here that'll work extremely well for this, and what you want to do is go to find products and put in woodworking and click search. Now, guys, if you've been around on my channel before, you know that we've done topics on woodworking before. But don't worry, what I'm doing in this video is showing you a new traffic method that's blowing up right now, okay? With this particular product. And I have students who have actually watched my videos some time ago and they've promoted this product and they've made extremely good money with this particular product. So there's actually a couple of woodworking ones here. We can actually click on them here. Ted's Woodworking is the best one, and you get $63 on average per sale, okay? So we've got Max's Woodworking, we've got Ted's Woodworking. Ted's Woodworking is really, really good. And what these are woodworking plans that people can buy to build chicken coops, dog houses, to build literally anything, right? There's all of these woodworking plans for people to do some stuff at home. So all you need to do is go to ClickBank, go to the marketplace, go to this product here and make sure you're on this page right here. And then we'll move on to the next steps. The next step is we need to actually go out and find traffic. Okay, we need to go and find traffic, and traffic that's hot right now that you can go and make good money with, and you can actually build it up and make good money with this traffic. And to show you some proof of this traffic in action, these are actually some of the things that we've done on this particular platform right here. A huge amount of traffic. We've got 243,000 plays, 86,000, 134,000 plays, which is absolutely crazy. These analytics are mental, and this is not Instagram. I'll show you the platform in a second, okay? So what is this platform and how can you actually go and make money with this particular platform? What I'm going to be showing you today is how to make money on TikTok with these specific affiliate marketing links. So what you want to do is you want to head over to tiktok.com on your phone or on desktop, and you want to go and start your own TikTok account based around woodworking, okay? It's very important that you do it based around woodworking. Now, the reason we want to do it around woodworking is, number one, TikTok is blowing up right now, and number two, woodworking gets 4.9 billion views. It's an insane, crazy niche that's popping off right now. And if we actually look at some TikTok stats, a lot of you probably didn't even realize that TikTok was around in 2016. That's 4 years ago. And people are installing it every single day now. Millions and millions of people are using this specific platform. So the next step is we're going to go and build out this woodworking thing. And you might be asking yourself, well, how do I do that without any content? What you want to do is you want to go to Instagram, okay? And you want to go up to Instagram and you want to go to woodworking. So I'm going to go woodworking lovers. And you want to go and find some videos that we can actually use on our own profiles. These are videos that people have found online, like fan videos and stuff like that, and they share them. You might have to give some credit, so that's pretty simple to do. But I'm just going to click on this video here. I'm going to copy this up in the top, which is the URL. And then we're going to go to downloadinstagramvideos.net, and I'm going to post it into here, which I've actually already done. And I'm going to download video. And then you can actually go down here and go download, and it's going to download that video. Sorry if you can hear fireworks right now. There's fireworks just outside my window, and you can actually download that video. Then what we can actually do is we can upload this video to TikTok. So I'm actually going to upload it right now. I already have an account going. I'm going to click on upload video, and I'm going to put in, and I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to put the video in there, and I'm going to do a caption that says, "See how this turned out. Now, the thing is, we're not trying to actually sell anything in these videos. We're just trying to get traffic. We're trying to get viral content going. It's very, very easy to go viral on TikTok right now. It's very simple to do. We go viral all the time. Now, so this is the caption. See how this turned out. And then you can start putting your hashtags in here. See how this turned out. You might want to put something, let's do something like this amazing table turned out to look awesome. Okay, I don't really know. But then you want to put hashtags in like woodworking, woodwork. Oh, here we go. So here's some woodwork. Oh, right, I see what we have to do. It's a bit different to mobile, woodworking. And you just want to put in a bunch of hashtags so you can go and get traffic. And then I'm just going to go and put post, okay? Right? And then it's going to actually go and post that video. And you probably want to tag people. So what I would do is tag the original Instagram where you got the photo from, okay? And I'm going to go to view profile. And you'll see that this video is now here. I'm actually going to maybe delete it soon. But you'll see that the actual video is here, right? Now you might be, oh, there it is there. And it's all good, right? Now you might be asking yourself, how do you actually make money from doing this? What you want to do is you want to go and upload plenty of videos where you're getting tons of traffic. Look at all of these viral videos right here, okay? Now this is just an example, all right? This is someone actually uploading their own work. You want to go and create like a woodworking fan page for like this one here. People who are interested in, this is just a general woodworking Instagram page of people who are interested in woodworking, but you want to do it on TikTok instead. Then what you want to do is really simple. You want to go back to here and you want to go to Ted's Woodworking, promote, and you want to go and grab a link by going generate hop links. And you want to copy this link right here. And then you want to go over to a link shortener. So paste the URL to be shortened, and you want to paste the link shortener in here and click shorten URL. And this is completely free to do. And then take this URL, and I think you have to do it on mobile, but you want to go and put the URL in your profile so it shows up right here, right? Like this person has right here. These guys have 1.6 million followers, 29 million likes. So you can imagine how many clicks they get every single day, okay? So you want to focus on content while having a link in here, and people will naturally click this link, okay? So become like a woodwork fan page or something like that. Now, a bit of a disclaimer, okay? Affiliate links on TikTok, they change policies all the time. So you might be able to use them now, but you might not be able to use them in the future. But a way around that is pretty simple. You want to go and create what we call a bridge page, where you send the traffic to a page where you collect an email instead, and then they go into an email list, and then they go to the offer. So that way you send them to a page that you actually own and control yourself, and you're not going to get banned on TikTok. That's probably the best way to do it. If you want to learn more about that, I'll leave a video below on how you can actually go and set up one of these pages. And I actually use a program called GetResponse that you can do it all with. It's very simple. It'll take you through, the video below will take you through how to set this up, how to set up email marketing, and how to promote products via email marketing. But that's what I recommend you do if you don't want to have to worry about getting banned on TikTok because you had affiliate links in your profile. Doing on TikTok is building up a woodworking fan page exactly the same as the ones on Instagram. And there's so many on Instagram. All you gotta do is put in woodworking and then go to woodworking hashtags. And there's all of these accounts that you can go and check out, and you can actually go and have a look and get these woodworking stuff. But you want to make sure that you can actually use it. And if you're not sure, just tag those people and give them credit on TikTok. But all you got to do is find one big account, and you can use lots of their images usually, because a lot of these are actually fan pages as well. Look at all of these images you can use, but this is more about actually engineering. Now, if you want some more free videos on how to make money online, I will leave some videos up on the screen that will take you through step by step exactly how you can make money online with affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell. If you have any questions, leave them below, and I'll see you on the next video.